Well, good afternoon, everyone. It is Mr. Sunshine, Locksmith Eddy, coming to you live right here, right now. We got another special treat for everybody involved. You got to excuse the mess because we got a lot going on here today. What we have here, this just came in. This is an original Curtis model number 15 key machine, complete with the case and everything. Here it is right here. These are where the cams would usually sit, just like this. On here, they actually slide down on like that. And this was one of the early Curtis metal boxes. It's pretty rare to find one in this in this condition. You actually lift it up, and there would be all of your cams carriages that would sit down in here just like that as storage. So what we did was we got it in. We actually just dumped everything out, and what we're going to do is show you exactly what all came with this. This obviously is the machine. This is a model number 15 key machine made by Curtis. It's actually in pretty good shape. I can see that the spring is up in there. That's working okay. You can see it's still operating, but it's again, it needs all. We're going to tear it all apart. We're going to clean it all up. We're going to refurbish this to make it look like it's brand new. We're going to go ahead and pull this out to get it started. We then have a lot of extra parts here. We got some wrenches. These wrenches actually operate to adjust this. This is the one for this right here. We actually have the wrench that handles the nut right here to adjust it for the depths and stuff like that. We have a lot of cams that came with this. DC1, Chrysler 2. We also have Chrysler 1. So apparently whoever had this was a Chrysler man. This is a GM one. That's a pretty rare one there. Again, it's all gummed up. You can see this, how gummed up it is. So we're going to be cleaning all of this and get it all back. We actually have an extra cam pin there. A lot of carriages. All these carriages here, all these little pieces. Very important to have actually brand new ones. Here's a brand new carriage. This is a Chrysler 4. This handles the old Chrysler keys. We actually have another one here. So we're going to go ahead and separate these. Look at this. We got tape holding this one on there, which we're going to be taking all of this off so we can get into it and start working on it the best we can with what we have. More tape here. So we're going to put these parts in some solvent to get them cleaned up, and then we're going to start polishing everything, taking it apart, adjusting everything, replacing anything that may need change. Look at this. This has been on there for quite a while. This is actually a new one, but it's just been covered in tape over the years. These were made back in the 60s, I do believe, when they first started coming out with them. They actually had the Model 14 and the Model Post. So they went from the post to the wheel to the cam and carriage, as you see right here. We actually have some more cams and carriages here, along with the depth gauges to go with it. These are for key gauges to tell you what the depths are of special different vehicles. So there it is. We're going to go ahead and start putting this in a parts tag, cleaning it all up, and then we'll take it from there. So there it is, model number 15 Curtis key machine. It actually came with a code book. This is the confidential code book. It tells you all about the information, how to adjust the machine. These are Dodge, Plymouth, and Colt key codes. We have the DC2, DC3. These are the Chrysler keys, Chrysler F series, Y154. That would be the double-sided key. We also have the rest of them here. So that's a nice little thing we got here today. So we're going to get started cleaning those up and get them ready. Elena, good afternoon, Mr. Sunshine. Locksmith Eddy coming to you live right here, right now with a special treat here for locksmiths. Locksmith Curtis number 15 machine. So as you can see what we have here, we're going to get that all cleaned up. It's going to look like new by the time Mr. Sunshine Locksmith Eddy is done. Pick up that phone, 561-693-8636, live here in sunny South Florida. Thank you for watching.